We talk about one of these most important conditional functions. It's COUNTIF and SUMIF. COUNTIF, as we talk about, COUNTIF is a function that returns the number of cells that match a specific value. So COUNTIF and SUMIF is only work. This is conditional functions. Only work if you have only one condition. If you have more than one condition, so we use the count ifs with s and some ifs with s. And this count if and some if it's work in the one condition. So the condition that you want to create. So for example, if I need to check, I use the count if the condition. Now we have to give him the range. The range when it start, I need the quantity. Then I need to count if depend on my quantity, and then I give him the criteria. I give him the quotation mark. I need to check if my quantity equal to 25. So give him closed the and close the parenthesis. So he will count under one condition that my quantity is equal to 25. So as per the data in here, so we have 25. He give me 1. And if I need to count how many quantity that I have is more than 25, so I should give him equal count if condition. I give him the range. My range is for quantity. Close. I give him the comma and then the criteria. My criteria is supposed to be quotation mark, and now I need to find me the things, the quantity that is over 25, and close. Sorry, I forget to give him close parenthesis. So close the quotation mark, give him close. So now he count the quantity that is more than 25, and is 1 2 3 4. So this is 4. If we need to find, we work on the sum of functions. If we need to check how many the total revenue that we have, the total revenue for this specific condition that we need to put. So if I need to count the total revenue for the quantity that is 20, that is the quantity is 25. So I have to put my range is a quantity, and then close it, and then I have to put my condition, it is equal to 25, and close this condition with comma. Now I have to give him the sum range. The sum range, I need this for my price, it will be the sum range, and then close it with parentheses, give him OK. So now he give me the total. I have to change it to dollar because this is the total revenue as a dollar. Now if I need to check the how much the total revenue that is for my quantity that is above 25, so I give him equal to sum if condition. So now I have to give him my range. I need to work on my quantity. Close. I give him my condition. Now it is greater than 25, and close it will be of course is more. And now I give him the sum. I need to count me the total price, so close the parenthesis and then give him. So now he give me is 10. I have to change it to because his revenue is dollar. And now if I need to find the average, it's just the average is the average of average. So if you need to find the average, we just the total divided by the count. This is the how you find the average for, and give him this average. This is the average total revenue that we count. So this is one of the most important tool that you will face it somehow, and you have to work on it. You have to put your conditions. It's you calculate something based on one condition, based on your data. What is the condition your data you are looking for? So I hope this video is so helpful for you, and see you in the next video.